model, 61-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 PS van 2.7T. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 170142. Engine, 1995 CCM9RA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Engine light on dash doesn't affect the performance at all. MAF sensor will need replacing. Simple easy sensor fix smiling face with hearts. ABS light on dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.